We saw in the previous demonstration how to switch on and switch off Wi-Fi, and hope that you might have tested in your physical device. Now, next we are going to see another demonstration in continuation with. So in this, what we are going to do is we are going to scan the available Wi-Fi connections that we are going to implement with the help of broadcast receiver. So whenever the number of connections change, the broadcast receiver will be automatically notified. So first of all, what I am going to do is I am going to create a subclass of broadcast receiver. So create a class, for example, my broadcast receiver. Say that it extends from broadcast receiver, and now we have to implement the necessary methods. The one receive method is a method we need to implement. Okay, fine. So now I am going back to the activity main.xml. The moment there are some changes in the Wi-Fi connections, the broadcast receiver will be notified, and here the on receive will update. Here we can see that the on receive method, it will update the available connections here in the net text view. For that I am going to put a plain text view. So I am going to remove this content new text. By default, let it be empty. So I am going to declare the text view. And I am going to find this text view because we need to use it. Text view. Do the necessary typecast. And say that find v by id r dot id dot text view. Now outside this set on checked change listener, I am going to create the object for my broadcast receiver. For that, my broadcast receiver equal new my broadcast receiver. Next, we are going to register the broadcast receiver. For that, we have a standard method called register receiver. Again, we can see here two components. Broadcast receiver object followed by the indent filter. The broadcast receiver object is my broadcast receiver, and indent filter I am going to create new indent filter, and using Wi-Fi manager we have to say that scan results available action. So this is the argument we need to pass, because we are going to scan the available Wi-Fi connections. So whenever there is some change, broadcast receiver will be notified and its own receive method will be invoked. Now, so there may be some appending and all. So I'm going to create a string buffer object. String buffer equal new string buffer. Now I'm going to find this scan result. For that, use the Wi-Fi manager dot get scan results. You can see that it returns a list of scan result object. So list scan result, we can say that a list of objects are returned, and by using the enhanced for loop we can easily catch it. Scan result, control spacebar, then for each scan result object from the list collection, like that. Then you can say that string buffer dot append scan result, and outside the for loop we can just say that text view dot set text string buffer instance. That's all. So there is a small error. Let me check it, why this error is coming. Oh, I'm sorry for that. Yeah. So here we have the text view where the scan results will be available. Then as I have mentioned in the previous video, this is to switch on or switch off, and in this demonstration I'm not using it, so I'm just skipping it this part. And these are the two main lines. Broadcast receiver object is created and the broadcast receiver is registered. And here this is the main part, get the scan result and append to the string buffer, then finally set that content in that text view. That's all. Hope that all of you understood.